You know, most bullies real tough until they get hit or kicked in the face. You know, for example, you tell a guy, "Hey, look, I don't want to fight. Please leave me alone. Back up. Please don't get into my space. Leave me alone." The guy keeps advancing. Well, what are you supposed to do? You're supposed to defend yourself, right? All right, this is what we do. Hey, dude, I don't want to fight. Right there. Fight over. Okay? This guy's done. Okay? Another example. I don't want to fight. Please, just leave me alone. Go away already. Now, look at you now. Just because the guy's old, just because there's a little snow on the mountain, doesn't mean there's no fire in the furnace.